In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay PNB credit card bills using GCash. If you want a fast, reliable way to settle your credit card bill without visiting a branch, this walkthrough is for you. Before we begin, make sure your GCash app is updated, you have a stable internet connection, and enough balance or a funding source set up so your payment goes through smoothly. Start by opening the GCash app on your phone. Give it a moment to load, and once you're on the home screen, you'll see a variety of options. Look for the Bills icon. This is the section where GCash groups all bill payments, including utilities, loans, and of course, credit cards. Tap Bills to continue. Inside the Bills section, find and select Credit Card. This category keeps all supported card issuers in one place, so you don't have to search across different menus. Tapping Credit Card brings up a list of banks and providers. Now, scroll down the list and choose PNB Credit Card. Take your time as you scroll so you select the correct biller. Picking the right one ensures your payment is routed to the proper account and avoids delays or reversals. Next, enter the amount you want to pay. You can choose to pay the total outstanding, the statement balance, or at least the minimum due, whatever fits your plan for the month. It's a good practice to check your latest statement or app notification so the amount matches what's due and you avoid late fees. If you see any convenience fee displayed, factor that into your final total. After entering the amount, enter your credit card number. Type it carefully and make sure each digit matches what's printed on your physical card. Avoid adding spaces or dashes unless the field formats it automatically. A quick accuracy check here helps prevent posting the payment to the wrong account. When you're ready, tap Next. This takes you to a summary screen. Here, GCash will show the payment details you just entered, including the biller name, the credit card number, usually partially masked, and the payment amount. Review everything closely. Confirm the card number, the amount, and any fees shown. If anything looks off, go back and correct it now. Once everything is correct, tap Confirm. GCash will process the payment and show you a success screen with a reference number and timestamp. Processing times can vary by biller, but the confirmation means your request has been submitted. And that's it. Your PNB credit card bill is paid through GCash quickly and conveniently, all from your phone.